Curses, spoiled again.
Hey, Ricky, are you ready? Yeah, I got the microphone right here. It's all on. I can see everything. Just get on with it. Jerry, I'm supposed to be directing this thing. Well, direct it then. Okay. Hey, Tinman, are you ready? Okay. Yeah, I've got the shot. Okay. Action in 5, 4, 3. Oh, Spider Monkey Blue. Spider Monkey Blues. Ricky, you can't sing along. Just hold the microphone. We'll have to do that again. Oh, sorry, dude. Just hold the microphone. Can you do that? Okay, let's start again. Let's start over. Well, direct then. Okay, fine. I'll direct. Tinman, are you ready? Five, 4, 3, 2. Okay, looking good, sounding good. Okay, I can start talking about now. Hold on, Tinman. You left the reservation. We're gonna have to cut here, and let's try this again. Okay, whenever you're ready. I decided to pick up this 8-string Spider Monkey. Jerry, you got a signal down there? The Spider Monkey Blues, after all. Hey Ricky, how you doing? Allegheny Mountain Blue.
Happy to be here, dude.
Funkadelic Castle Blue. Spider Monkey Blue. Oh, can use, that's a line I just cannot use. Spider Monkey Blue. I think that's it. Booyah. 3, 2.
Turn it up. An HDR production. Curses, spoiled again. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the little bell. It'll just make my day. Catch you later. I think I got it. I think I've got it.